please. Alright, you got it. This might be good if I can get this up.
I actually have lyrics to this song.
Really? Is it good? Is it tight? Do it, man.
I'm so nervous.
Do it. I'll go and then you go, okay? Alright, well, good. Then I'm gonna go and you're gonna go, okay? When the beat drops again, I'm gonna go. How about I just do the rap? Yeah, you know this beat is quick, gotta spit at it fast, and I'm poor as shit. I don't have no fucking cash, but I'm drunk driving, swerving, might crash. Nigga, got a girl with a round ass, and you know I'm about to stay chillin' in Hoko, cause I'm gonna get high as fuck, not coke though. I'm just gonna chill and smoke some more weed. Yeah, we got the dank ass fucking tree, and we're gonna get high as fuck and rap, not trap, nigga. Maybe give you a smack, talking shit, man, you're gonna get dropped the fuck down, nigga. All your boys can catch a round of my fist, nigga. Rapping real hard right now, cause like Jay-Z, we run this town, and we do some sick ass remix, nigga. I don't know, Twix. Oh my god, that was perfect. That was sick. Oh my god. Here you go.
I can't. You gotta start looking.
Can I just do an old one?